Good morning, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. This morning I am going to be doing SheModern Saturday. Let me turn the TV down there. I am going to be doing SheModern Saturday, like I just said, with some haunted houses on my green nails. Let me hold this up, see if you can see it, because I already put the pack away. I know they're tiny, but they're super cute, super easy to put on. I'll be putting 2 on. I have got my palette ready. I have got my base coat on by Sinful. I also have 3 coats of Silkscreen Green by Finger Paints, just to try and get it opaque. I love the color, but it's not quite opaque. You can still kind of see my nail line, but that's alright. Take your little bottle with some water in it, or if you want, you can dip it in a cup of water, whichever you prefer. Take your water decals, pop them down in some water. Make sure they are saturated on the top as well, so that they get nice and soaked. Let those soak for, I don't know, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. I'm going to be doing a different method today. I'm not going to be putting them on the normal way. I'm going to be stamping them on. I've not tried this method before. I've seen, can't remember what name off the top of my head do this, but I'm going to try it. I've tried it once to show somebody and it worked perfectly. So we're going to try it out today and hope it works just as well for me again. I think this is super cute. You should check out SheModern.com. They have a wide variety of water decals, stencils, great pigments. You might think they're a little pricey for the little bottle that they are, but they go such a long way. You could do, oh God, probably hundreds of a manicure with them. They're 4, I believe, for $30 now. But they're well worth it. They're definitely well worth it. So let's see, I think these should, yeah, these are ready. Put them face down on your stamper. Get you a cotton ball, paper towel, something to dry them off. Whoops. We got cotton stuck to the pad. So you can see it is kind of hollow on the back of it, silver. And you can see through my stamper. See? I'm going to be putting that on my nail, on the ring finger, and hope this works out. Oh, and it didn't work. So I guess we're not going to try that method. We're going to go back to the water. Stick a little bit of water on it. Oh lordy. It's going to give me a little bit of trouble today. So I've got it sitting in some water, put a little bit more water on my nail. I got a crinkle in my decal. That's not good. Just want it to lay flat. Minus the cotton. And there we go. I'm going to be putting Sally Hansen's Fast Drying Top Coat on. Don't forget to cap the end of your nail. And I'm going to get my other trusty little decal here. Pop that on my nail. try to straighten it out. Get your cotton ball, dab the water out, and there you go. I'm going to put a coat of this on my nail as well. Sally Hansen's Fast Drying Top Coat. Seal it in. Cap the end of my nail. And this doesn't take long to dry either, and once it does, I will be putting my fish feet on. This is super easy to do. You could do this on your children, your grandparents, maybe not the Halloween decals on your grandparents, but you could do this on anybody. Tina's decals are super cute. There are Christmas, Halloween, they're all different kinds of designs for any time of the year. You name it, she probably has it. Great company, great foil, super easy to use. Check her out, like I said, SheModern.com. Click on water decals off the home screen. I'm putting my top coat on now. Sealing it in. Cap your nail. Let me put my top coat on my other nails as well. I just love the SheModern products. They're so easy to use. They look really, really great, like you went to the salon and had them done. And who would have thought you did them in less than 5 minutes yourself? There we go. There is my other Halloween SheModern manicure. I hope you like this. Please give it a thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, please click the Please click the subscription button along with the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. I hope you like this. Have a blessed day. Thank you.